Holds its shape without running. Proven quality. Stylist approved. The package dimension of the product is 3L×2W×3H. Ibd Ibd 5-second conditioner brush on gel resin. Its thick formula is perfect for wraps, silk repairs, and strengthening natural nails. It has a no-drip formula that fills gaps and uneven nail beds. It also eliminates air pockets. This non-yellowing Ibd gel resin is a versatile product offering maximum strength and flexibility for all nail surfaces. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, read some hints here. I am reordering this. I have very thin nails and never can grow them out naturally. Have used silk and fiberglass wraps, acrylics, gels, tips and full nails, self-applied and salon-applied. Hate the full nails of any kind because they look pretty fake and look bad when they grow out at the cuticle. When I have to get the whole thing off, I end up taking up layers of my nail.